Dakatarisa kudenga mtsotsi pamatama ose.
Nina kuna
basina vanhu katoko nazongopinda pa
Hey, I am at the Genius Kadungure, what you call this? This is a rural setting, but of a magnificent, extravagant mansion. You only find these houses in Malibu, United States, etc. Come on, guys, look at it. Don't be jealous. Look what I'm seeing here. I haven't even entered. And look at the vehicle outside here, and the other one. And so forth. I know that there are many cars out of here which are not here. Held by some people who are jealous. Hey, this is it. So, you know me, boy. I'm happy that you invited me here.
You're most
Otherwise, you could. Murin right drive.
Too much.
Yes.
Yeah. Mike knows everywhere.
No, it's nice to come here as well. Yeah. It's nice. But you see the good thing. It's so beautiful. You know what I mean? It's so beautiful. I like it. All right. Yeah. Muka stop. So remain there by itself. If this is what this one was actually this house. Oh, yeah. Every time we saw Gambala. 4 post bed. I say Utamale. I go to him. I say water. I'm sure we don't think about it.
I did everything myself.
I was the constructor. Wow.
It's simple, but something that
This is the game you're doing.
So I'm doing something for the right sound.
Okay. Yes. Yeah.
Birthday boy. Birthday boy.
Yes.
Birthday boy.
Yeah, with PC.
Yes.
Yeah.
With PC in the building.
Yeah.
Outside.
just the finesse, just the way that you handle the task, the finishing, the what, you do Basarimari. You know, Chikapera Sakanaka, you know, for a long time. Mamano Sara, Dara, who's Bata Kushika Afam, Dara, who stand up by the phone, Dara. I don't know from there. Kanakuziama Loga, which nobody was the same. Was one of my. Okay, we don't have a friend of